In today's video, I would like to do a quick unboxing of Wishtrend products. It's a PawProve Box. It contains the best-selling products at Wishtrend with 40% discount and a free gift. $5 of each box purchased will be donated to Leaping Bunny, a cruelty-free organization. So PawProve Box contains Rovectin Skin Essentials Conditioning Cleanser Advanced Formula Hypoallergenic. It comes completely sealed, as you can see, and this is what I love about many K-beauty brands, that they seal the product completely. I'm not going to open every single product from this box because it's impossible to test every single product and give proper thoughts and reviews, so I'm just going to talk about a few that I tried or open. Next product in this box is I'm from Rice Toner. I have already opened Rice Toner and I can demonstrate the texture and how it is. So I tested it before, like a few months ago. I used that much and it's like a milky runny toner, and I would love to shake it before I dispense it because it kind of like settles a little bit, and whenever you put it on the skin it brings like a lot of hydration. I like to use it for my combination skin in spring and summer. It's not as heavy as other milky toners that I try, so it's also unscented and it gives like a good hydration before your moisturizer, and it's perfect for summer. Next product in this box is I'm from Honey Mask. I haven't tried Wishtrend mask before. This one comes in a very big jar, and I will add a clip that I tested it, and it smells divine. Like, it smells a little bit like honey, a little bit like fruits, and it's mostly like a mask to bring moisturizing effect to your skin. So if you have acne prone skin, it might not be your jam. Maybe it's better for combination and dry skin. I love this mask, and especially that this mask can be used up to 1 hour, so you don't have to worry like with clay mask that is going to dry your skin to crisp. I also tried Dear Klairs freshly juiced vitamin E mask before. It comes in a very pretty packaging. This one is a sleeping mask. I also would suggest it to combo and dry skin because it's kind of like a occlusive mask, and it also feels like a souffle texture when you apply it. So only use it when your skin lacks that extra hydration and moisturization. I wouldn't recommend it to acne prone skin. So ELMT is the free gift in this box. So this one is Centella Asiatica Advanced Calming Solution. I also am not going to open it right now. It comes in a very nice emerald bottle. It's heavy, it's from glass. So this one is for soothing the skin, especially in summer when you go outside and maybe you got tan or your skin got irritated and dry. So this one is going to be more like a toner after cleansing that you apply. This one is by Wishtrend Green Tea Enzyme Powder Wash. It contains green tea powder, papain enzyme, exfoliating and polishing. So this one is instead of face scrubs, or if you are not a fan of acids like AHA, PHA, BHA. So this one, it comes more like in powder, so it's also not sealed or anything. So this is like a powder, and then I think you can adjust how thick you want it to be by adding more water or less water. This one is like that, the powder, and I will add a little bit of water and we'll be back. So this is how it looks like with a little bit of water. Then once combined with water, we're going to mix it a little bit, and as I can see, it still has those granules, so that's why it's more like chemical exfoliation. But I assume if you add a little bit more of powder, and less water, it will be more creamy. This actually feels not so damaging to the skin. It feels actually nice when I'm spreading it on my palm. So I just washed it off. It's actually foams up a little bit, like it's not a lot of foam that it creates, but it has a slight, very soft foam, so I don't think it's going to be like damaging to the skin. So this ampoule by Wishtrend Hydra Enriched ampoule contains 70% of polysaccharides. Sorry if I don't pronounce it right. So this one is extracted from aloe, and as Wishtrend website says that it's supposed to help with moisture in your skin, to keep it more moisturized for a longer time. This one definitely worth checking out if your skin lacks moisturization and if you like dry and combination skin. PawProve Box also contains Dear Klairs sunscreen. It's a new sunscreen and it's all day Airy sunscreen 50 milliliters. It also will be included in the price of the box and you can see it on the website. So I would like to mention that this box is very good value and it's almost like finished routine for you. So for example, you use conditioning cleanser by Rovectin to remove your makeup, your SPF, and then if on some days if you would like to exfoliate, you can use green tea enzyme powder wash. I wouldn't suggest using it too often, maybe using it like a few times per week. And then for example, you're going to use the toner with Centella Asiatica by ELMT Advanced Calming Solution to calm the skin after cleansing and after exfoliating. And then I will go with rice toner to restore hydration of the skin, and it's perfect for spring and summer. Well, we're already in summer, so for summer maybe one layer of rice toner will suffice. Then we go with by Wishtrend Hydra Enriched ampoule to restore moisture in the skin. And instead of moisturizer, we can use a sleeping mask, because sleeping mask is actually something that is a little bit richer than moisturizer, and it's a little bit occlusive as well to prevent water loss in your skin. And I also forgot about from honey mask. I also wouldn't use it too often, maybe use it like once per week when your skin lacks that extra moisture. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends, and share with your friends about this box that it's at 40% at wishtrend.com. You can also use my affiliate link to get some discount. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next videos, and bye bye.